How to fix Roblox new app available. This version is no longer available in your region. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Search Roblox, and if there is any update available, update. If you find this version is no longer available, you will find an update. Instead of playing here, you can click on update and update the app. Another thing what you can do is hold on to the Roblox app in your home screen. Then click on App Info at the bottom. In App Info, click on Storage and Cache. Click on Clear Cache. After you click on Clear Cache, you can simply restart your device by clicking on the power button. After you have restarted your device, you can simply open your Roblox app and everything will be fixed. This is how to fix new app available. This version is no longer available in your region problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.